S100 Wireless Seatalk Autopilot Remote controls 100 Wireless Autopilot Remote compact and lightweight. The S100 remote delivers the freedom of wireless control to any Raymarine Seatalk Autopilot. The bright display is easy to read with 2 lines of text and a graphical autopilot mode indicator. The 5-button ergonomic keypad and intuitive menu structure provides simple operation and easy access to extended features. Rugged and waterproof, the S100 fits in your pocket or clips to your belt, keeping full function autopilot control always within reach. S100 features 2-line display with a graphical autopilot status indicator, crisp, high contrast 24x127. Matrix display, backlit display, raised profile on standby button for easy identification in the dark, key lock security, convenient, replaceable AAA alkaline batteries, wireless features up to 32 feet, 10 meters, wireless operating range from the base station signal. Strength indicator pre-registered, each unit leaves the factory already registered to the base stations. 100 comes with instruction manual, S100 controller, base station, cradle, lanyard. The S100 wireless autopilot controller is compatible with the following: Raymarine /Auto Helm Seatalk Autopilots ST1000, ST2000, ST3000, ST4000, ST5000, Smart Pilot ST6001, Smart Pilot ST7001, Smart Pilot ST8001, Smart Pilot S1000. In the description to get this product today at the best price. S100 wireless Seatalk Autopilot remote. Controls 100 wireless autopilot remote, compact and lightweight. The S100 remote delivers the freedom of wireless control to any Raymarine Seatalk Autopilot.